Hi, I'm Jenny. In this video, I'll show you how to enable WhatsApp in Klaviyo if this is your first time using WhatsApp. Used by 3 billion people around the globe each month, WhatsApp gives brands a direct line to international audiences at scale. By connecting WhatsApp to Klaviyo, you can use the same data and platform you already rely on for email and text messaging to create personalized, interactive shopping experiences. We'll cover what you'll need before you get started, how to enable WhatsApp in Klaviyo step by step, and some next steps to set you up for success. Before we jump in, make sure you have the following access and permissions. You have admin or owner access to your Klaviyo account. You have your Facebook logins handy, since you'll need a Facebook account to connect WhatsApp. You have access to your company's Meta business account through your Facebook login. If your company doesn't have a Meta business account yet, you can create one by heading to Meta Business Tools. You will also need a phone number for WhatsApp. You've got a few options here. You can use an existing business or support number. This cannot be a number that you already use to send text messages in Klaviyo. Another option is purchasing a number from a provider like Twilio or Infobip. Alternatively, you can request a free number from Meta during registration. This can be a great way to get started and test out the channel, but this free number does come with some limitations. So for the best experience, we recommend purchasing your own. And finally, you will need to pick a display name for WhatsApp. This is the name customers will see on WhatsApp when you message them. Once you've got those ready, let's hop into Klaviyo to enable WhatsApp. But first, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content like this. In Klaviyo, navigate to your account settings, and then WhatsApp. Click on Connect to WhatsApp. Log in with your Facebook account. Review the permissions. Then click Get Started. From the drop-down, select your Meta business account. Review the details. Then click Next. Now it's time to create your WhatsApp business account. First, enter a name for your WhatsApp business account. This name's just for you, so customers won't see it. Next, enter your desired display name. This is the name customers will see on your WhatsApp profile. It should match your business name and adhere to WhatsApp naming guidelines. Then, pick your industry from the category dropdown. And if you'd like, you can add extra details like your website, description, and time zone. Okay, we're almost there. Next is setting up your WhatsApp phone number. If you don't have a number, you can request a free one from Meta. Meta will review your business and display name before you can start sending. Click Next, and you should see a success message letting you know your WhatsApp business account is now connected to Klaviyo. If you have a phone number, select Add a new number, type it in, and then select how you'd like to verify it. Then click Next and enter the 6-digit code you received. Once you've verified your number, click Next. You should see a success message letting you know your WhatsApp business account is now connected to Klaviyo. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled WhatsApp in Klaviyo. One more important thing. You'll need to verify your WhatsApp business account with Meta within 30 days by submitting required documents. After that, you're ready for the fun part, growing your WhatsApp subscriber list and starting conversations with your customers right where they already are. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the description for links to more resources to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.